Today we're excited to introduce the Rocking Bassinet Electric Baby Bassinet, a versatile 3-in-1 solution designed to make life easier for new parents. This innovative bassinet features an automatic rocking motion with 3 settings, simulating a gentle embrace to help soothe your newborn while giving you more rest time. With its convenient remote control, you can easily adjust the rocking motion, choose from 5 soothing music tracks, or select from 3 calming white noise options to create the perfect sleep environment for your baby. The bassinet effortlessly transforms into a bedside sleeper, allowing you to lower the wall for quick access during nighttime feedings, and its 5 height adjustments ensure a secure attachment to your bed for safe co-sleeping. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, and the large storage basket underneath keeps all your baby essentials within reach. Rest assured, this bassinet is CPSC and ASTM certified, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame for enhanced stability and weight capacity. Our dedicated 24/7 professional support team is always ready to assist you with any questions about the VaVaSoo Bassinet bedside sleeper, ensuring you and your baby enjoy a comfortable and restful experience.